This egg-shaped device helps you to get relief from wrist pain and it works without any surface. This is OVO, a new type of mouse built by UK-based startup NextAxis Design, currently available on Kickstarter. Let's open the box first. First thing you see is OVO mouse. Press the power button and the lights glow around it just like wake up. Then a mouse pad and a USB-C cable for charging. Now here is the real problem it was built to solve. Think about how many hours you spend using mouse every single day. At work, at home, at editing videos, browsing the internet, your hand is flat on the desk. After hours of the same position, your wrists start to hurt. OVO takes a completely different approach. Instead of sitting on a desk, OVO walks in the air. Here is how you actually use it. You pick up OVO and hold it in your palm, just like holding an egg. Your wrist is no longer flat on a desk, it is in the most natural and comfortable position. Instead of sliding it across the surface, you tilt and rotate your hand in the air. Tilt left, the cursor goes left. Tilt right, it goes right. Rotate forward, the cursor moves forward, and rotate back, it comes back. The device reads every small movement of your hand in 3D space and translate it into precise cursor movement on your screen. Your wrist stay relaxed, your hand stay comfortable, and your cursor moves exactly where you want it to go. Now here is what makes OVO truly useful. It does everything a normal mouse does: left click, right click, scrolling, middle click, all the same function, just without a DeX. The device is split into two parts. The top half controls the cursor, the bottom half handles scrolling and swiping, and both parts can be fully customized. You can set different gesture and shortcut for different works, creating a setup that feels completely personal to you. This makes OVO especially powerful for specific tasks. Video editors can navigate timelines through simple hand rotation instead of dragging across a desk. Designer working in 3D software can move objects more naturally. Presenter can control slides from anywhere in the room. Now here are the simple specifications. OVO weighs just 98 grams, small enough to fit in any pocket. Connects wirelessly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Works with Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and OS. No driver needed, just connect and use. Battery lasts up to 80 hours on a single charge. Charges wirelessly or via USB-C cable. One honest thing to know, OVO is mainly a pointing device. For very detailed tasks like pixel level photo editing, you may still prefer a regular mouse. The creators themselves say this: OVO is not trying to replace every mouse in every situation. It is built for people who spend long hours on computer and want more natural and pain-free way to work. Early price on Kickstarter is $109 and planned for retail price is $199, which include the device, USB-C cable, wireless charging pad and mouse pad. OVO is not just a new mouse, it is completely new way to use a computer. If you love this breakdown, hit the like and subscribe button.